I see it. Yeah.
So pretty. Go stand next to her.
One hell of a dress.
It's very pretty.
AI. Oh my. Welcome. This is our overnight stay at Chadstone Hotel. Actually, it's Hotel Chadstone. And over there, that's Chadstone. So it's going to be one hell of a walk to get there. All of 5 minutes, I reckon. And it's actually even a bit of a view, would you believe, of a car park.
We can see our car, but you can sort of see
the outside of Chadstone.
that big snake.
Yeah, that's
A
the
slippery
atrium,
silver snake.
And Dandenong's in the distance.
Oh,
over there
yes.
between these two buildings.
You're the local Melbourne boy. And some sort of building right here. The Hotel Chadstone. I like the little... These are $11. Won't be eating those. Ooh, it's always good to see what's in the mini bar.
All thanks to Taylor Swift. She's sponsoring this hotel. I got my phone. What am I talking about? It's in my back pocket.
Let's go.
Go. Go. Go.
We've got mirrors everywhere.
Enjoying this view with my wife.
That's me.
Swift.
That's
Impersonator. Yeah. There he is. Da da da.
Everyone now ready? Are you ready for it? Let's see it. Too many cool kids. Who's Freya anyway? Yeah, it seems like no one's nice. We ditched the whole scene and got the dream. Instead of sleeping, tonight the night we get back this time. I know that you not feeling 22. Everything you'll be alright. You keep me next to you. You know about me. Have what you want to.
Hot shower, that's why I'm red. We're in a danger zone today, this morning, of carnivore. Look at this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are you doing, Michael? What is that?
Zone. That's a carnivore.
No, it's not.
Wait a sec.
That
It's
is
called
not.
a bread and butter pudding, but it's carnivore bread and butter. I'm going to imagine it's carnivore bread and butter. Can you grab one of those?
Ooh, what is that?
Free and. I have no idea, but I like the name.
Okay, so you're going to have...
It's free
that.
and. Get it?
Free. Okay.
That'll
Look,
do.
there's got Nutella
Oh.
and
that's
peanut butter,
dangerous.
Vegemite. Ooh, croissants. I did get a bag full of these. They're in my handbag.
One of those.
I'm like one of those people that gets my serviette and like puts them in there. And I'm going to freeze them for like when I'm not carnivore anymore. Look at all this. Oh, they got donuts. Michael, they got donuts. Can you grab me one of these?
They're going to be way too sweet.
No? Okay. And they've got these breads. Uh-oh.
Would you believe everything in this place is carnivore?
This is my second omelette. This one you write your name on the thing and they make it however you like. And the first name was Julianne and the second one I wrote Michael, but it's actually for me. You can't have it. You can stick to your pastry things.
Carnival pastry.
Okay. Gone too far now.
Oh, I think it's
He's gone
carnivore
crazy.
almond meal. Pretty sure it's carnivore. The tree was grown on animal carcasses.
What did you say you're going to do tonight? Fasting.
All right, this is it. I won't be eating until tonight. Maybe not until tomorrow. So I can burn all this
I'm just going to stick to
horribly
my
good
omelette.
food.
I did have one of those
Little bite?
little croissants. They're mini. No thanks.
It's nice.
Not actually feeling into sweet or anything.
It's a subtle sweet.